thank you for your service.
Okay, I don't know what you've been told. Here's the official line. American Legion, how many of you know about the American Legion?
Hurry, Ethics.
How many have you even heard of the American Legion? Okay,
Now you
how many
have.
have heard of the Veteran Administration? Veterans Administration, VA, you guys have not heard of that? Okay, that's the most important department that you all going to be familiar with, especially once you separate from the military. That's when they're going to give you your disability, that's when they're going to take care of you, your health, all the way until you meet your maker, the VA. Well, guess what? If it wasn't for the American Legion, there would be no VA. How many of you have heard about GI Bill? Thank you. Well, there's been at least three different steps of the GI Bill. Well, all of which were pushed through by the American Legion. But why is the American Legion so powerful? That's because at one point we had close to 5 million members. Now we're down to about 2.5 million nationwide. But still, at 2.5 million members, when our national commander talks to the President of the United States or goes to Congress and say, hey, we need certain things, he listens. But the American Legion is affected by one very, very important factor. Age. We're all dying. Majority of the American Legion members are Vietnam era veterans, which means we are all in our 70s.
Most of us.
If we don't get an infusion of new blood, there will no longer be an American Legion, or at least there will no longer be an effective American Legion. Because as our number dwindles,